Hey there, Shooby Doodlers. How are you doing today? I'm going to show you how to draw a photo frame. So let's draw a little kind of angle like that and an angle like that. So it's coming at quite a sharp angle there. And then we want to draw down at an angle again to about there, and then across to there, and then down. So we've got like a very thin box leaning back, and then we want to draw the framey part like that, and then that will come down there like that. And we're also going to want to have a bit of a thickness to this bit there like that, so that's kind of drawing it in line, as we call it, very sort of fine and close to the edge. And then we're going to want another bit coming down here, which is the bit at the back which holds the whole thing up. And then let's just draw a kind of a face in there, just any old face like that. So it could be your mum, could be your sister, could be your brother. He's got long hair. And then we can draw some lines coming down like that. And we want a bit of shading coming down there. We'll put the table behind there, a bit of shading under there, and a bit of shading around like that. And there you go, how to draw a photo frame. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.